Hello everyone, how are you? I am Miss Ala Atif and this is a new session from the revision session with Natafawak Academy, and today we are going to complete the revision of grade 1 and we will revise together on unit 3. So, are you ready? Let's start. Okay, on unit 3 or chapter 3 we have some important lessons which are very important to remember them together. First part is talking about the numbers up to 15. We are going to remember together 3 signs which are called greater than, less than, and equal to, and we will remember how can we arrange the numbers. Let's start with the numbers. Okay, we have number 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Can you write them by letters? Let's remember. How can we write number 11? Yes, it's E, L, E, V, E, N. Again, E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. 12, it's T, W, E, L, V, E. T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. Then we start the family of teen. They end with teen, T-E-E-N. It starts from 13. So 13 is T-H-I-R, then put teen, T-E-E-N. Again, 13 is T-H-I-R, T-E-E-N. What about number 14? We're going to write 4, F-O-U-R, then put teen, T-E-E-N. So it's 14. What about 15? I'm saying fifth, not 15. It's 15, so it will be F-I-F, not F-I-V like 5. It's fifth. F-I-F, then put also teen. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Okay. Here, let's solve example together on this number. Count, write how many there are of each. We are going to write with both the digits and the letters. So let's count how many butterfly can you see in this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So can you write on your copybook 13? It's 1 and 3. Then how can we write it by letters? Yes, it's T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Next, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And how can we write number 7? Yes, it's S-E-V-E-N, 7. Can we write 7? It's S-E-V-E-N. Now let's count the ladybugs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you write number 12? It's T-W-E-L-V-E. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. The next one, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 11 is written as E-L-E-V-E-N. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Here, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 10 is so easy. It's T-E-N. The last one, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how can we write 9? Can you remember? Yes, it's N-I-N-E, 9. Let's move to the second slide. Here we have 3 words: greater than, less than, and equal to. Can you remember them? Yes. At first, we are going to count, then write the number and choose the correct answer. Let's count the pencils on the left side here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here put number 5. What about the rulers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. They are 7. Now, number 5 is what? Is greater than, or is less than, or is equal to 7. Can you remember we said less than means small, greater than or more than means big, and equal means they are the same. Okay, so what we are going to choose? Number 5 here is, yes, it's smaller, and smaller means is less than. So we can say 5 is less than 7. Next, how many erasers can you see here? Count. Yes, they are 5. And here, can you count the sharpeners? They are 3. So what can you see here? This 5 is what? It's greater than 3, or it's less than, or it's equal to. Of course, 5 here is bigger than 3, and we said bigger means greater. So 5 is greater than 3. Okay, here, how many copybooks can you see? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. They are 9. So put number 9 here. And now count the sharpeners. Yes, if you count, you are going to find they are 9. Now here is 9 and here is 9. They are the same. And the same means equal to. So 9 is equal to 9. Okay, put the numbers in their correct places. So we are going to read the word, then see what is the meaning of this word and choose the number to put it. For example, here we have number 3 and 6, and the word here is greater than. Greater means he asked about the big or the small number. Yes, greater, we said greater means bigger. So which is bigger, 3 or 6? Of course, 6 is bigger, so we will put it first. And put the second number here. So 6 is greater than 3. Again, here we have 4 and 9, and this word is less than. We said less means smaller. So which is small, 4 or 9? Less. Yes, it's of course 4, so put 4 first. And the other numbers will be here. Now let's read. It's read as 4 is less than 9. 4 is smaller than 9. Again, we have 10 and 12, and this word is greater than. Greater again means big, which is bigger here. Of course, 12. Put the 10 here. So 12 is greater than 10. Here we have 8 and 10, and the word is less than. Less means small. What is the small here? It's 8. So 8 is less than 10. Next, we have 9 and we have 5, and the word is greater than. Greater means big. So which is bigger? It's 9. So we will say 9 is greater than 5. The last one here, we have 11 and 7, and this word is, can you read? Yes, it's less than. Less means small. So which is smaller, 11 or 7? Sure, it's 7. So we are going to say 7 is less than 11. Okay. Here, complete by greater than, smaller than, or equal to. We are going to write the word. Like the first one here, letter A, 12 is less than 13 because 12 here is the small. So we choose the word small. Smaller than means less than. So we will write the word smaller or the word less. They are the same. What about letter B? Here's 10. What about 10? It's bigger than 7 or smaller? Of course, 10 here is the big. So we will write bigger than means greater. So put greater than. So can you read? Yes, it's 10 is greater than 7. See, here we have 8, and here also we have 8. When they are the same, we put what? Which word? Yes, equal to. So we are going to say 8 is equal to 8. It means that they are the same. D, we have here 6 and 9. What about this 6? 6 is what? Yes, it's smaller. So I can write smaller than, or smaller means less than. Don't forget. So small, it's less. So 6 is less than 9. Here 11 and here is 12. What about 11? Yes, 11 also is small. So we are going to say 11 is less than 12. Okay. We can write these words with sign. What are the signs? Can you remember the mouth of the alligator? Yes, this is a hungry alligator. It will eat the big number. So if he see a big number, he will go to it and open its mouth like that to eat it. So for example, if I have here number 4 and here is number 7, it's so hungry. So he will eat number 4 and leave number 7? Of course not. He will go to the bigger one or the biggest number. And here, which is bigger, 4 or 7? Of course, 7. So because it's so hungry, it will go and eat number 7. So we are going to put one of these 3 signs. This is called greater than, this is less than, and when we have the same number, we put equal to. So again, we have 3 signs. The first sign is called greater than. It means that the mouth will eat the big number, and big means greater. Here, this is less than, he will leave or it will leave the small number. And when they are the same, he can eat this or this. They are equal to each other. Okay, let's solve some examples. Complete by using one sign, greater than, less than, or equal to. Here we have 3 and 1. What do you think? The mouth will eat which one? The mouth of the alligator. Yes, it will go, of course, to 3. So 3 is greater than 1. What about here? We have 11 and here is 11. They are the same, so they are equal to, and this is the sign of equal. 11 is equal to 11. Here's 12 and 13. What we are going to eat? Yes, we will eat number 13. And how can we read it? We are going to say 12 is less than 13. So 12 is the small, so you'll say 12 is less than 13. Next, 10 or 12, what we are going to eat? Yes, we will eat number 12, or the mouse of the alligator will eat 12. And again, we can read it as 10 is less than 12. Next, 6 or 7. Sure, we'll look at the 7. Here, 1 or 2. Yes, we are going to look at number 2. 1 is less than 2. Okay, next here we have 9 and 9. So they are the same. We will put equal to. 9 is equal to 9. Here 8 or 0. Yes, 8 is greater than 0. So eat 8 and leave the 0. Okay, let's make here complete again. We are going to put a sign or a number. Like here, we have 2 numbers, so we need to put the sign. Here, 15 and 18. So the sign will be like that. It will be the 18. So 15 is smaller than or less than 18. What about here, 4 or 14, where you are going to look at? Yes, sure. It's like that. Okay, here, he drew the mouse of the alligator looking at this side. So we need a big number or a small number to eat. If we are going to look here, it means that the mouth will eat this number. So this number must be big, bigger than 9. So choose any number that is bigger than 9. What bigger than 9? Yes, 10. Okay, here we have the equal sign, and equal we said means they are the same. So here we have number 11. Here also will be 11. So 11 is equal to 11. What about the next one? Here the mouse is looking at 1. If we eat 1, so this one is big. 1 is bigger than what? What is small here? I'm going to write a smaller number. So, of course, it's 0. Again, we have here 5 and also 5, so they are equal. Here, 13 and 19. Yes, sure, 19 is bigger than 13, so I'm going to eat 19. Okay, here, can you think? Okay, you have 5 seconds to think. and solve it alone. Did you find the answer? Yes. The mouth need to eat. The mouth of the alligator will eat what? Of course, it will eat a big number. So if here I have 11, oh sorry, I have 10. So I'm going to write 11 or 9. What do you think? Sure, I need a big number, so it will be 11. Okay, again, here's 6, but I want to eat a number which is bigger than 6. So what is big? Yes, 7. Okay, now let's remember together how can we arrange the number in order. We have two words. The first word, ascending. Ascending order, we said when we see letter A means ant, and the ant is so small. So we will put the numbers or the objects from the smallest to the biggest or the greatest. So when you see the word ascending, A, remember the ant is so small. So like here, if I have these 4 circles, I'm going to arrange them in ascending. So I will put the small first. The blue circle is the smallest, so put it first. After it, this purple one, then the red, and the last one will be the yellow. So ascending, letter A for ant, so put them from the smallest to the biggest. The second word, can you remember? It's the descending order. D means dinosaur, and the dinosaur is so big. So I'm going to put the biggest first until I reach the smallest. Let's solve together these examples. He is saying arrange in ascending order. Again, ascending means, and you remember? Yes, ascending means from the smallest to the greatest. I have number 9, 11, 15, and 2. So I'm going to say, where is the smallest number? Yes, it's 2. So put it first. 2 will come here. And when you finish the first number, make a dash on it or cross it out. After 2, now I have 9, 11, and 15. Again, ascending, I need the small. Yes, it's 9. Okay, so put 9 and cross it out or cancel it. After 9, 11 or 15, sure, it will be 11. Cancel it. And the last one, or the biggest one here will be 15. So this is the ascending order. Again, we have 7, 0, 10, and 14. The first one will be 0 and cancel it. After 0, yes, it will be 7. Put 7 here. After 7, now we have 10 and 14. So 10 is smaller, so we'll put it first. 10. And the biggest one or the last one will be 14. Again, arrange these numbers in ascending order. We have 6, 12, 8, 2, and 7. Ascending A means ant and is small, so start from the small. Here, the smallest one is 2, so put 2. Okay, after 2, we have 6. Write 6. Okay, after 6, yes, it's 7. and cancel it, don't forget. After 7, now we have 8 and 12 left. So yes, sure, 8 will come first. And the last one or the greatest one here will be 12. If I'm asking to arrange the numbers in descending order, again, the D, descending, D for dinosaur. So we are going to start, can you remember? Yes, from the biggest and go down to the smallest. So from the greatest to the least or to the smallest, like here. Number 13, 3, 11, and 6. Where is the biggest one? Yes, it's 13. So put 13 first. And as we said, when we write a number, we will cancel it or cross it out. After 13, 11 will come. So put 11. Now we have 3 and 6. So of course 6 is bigger, so I'm going to write 6. And the last one is 3. Again, we have 1, 14, 8, and 9. Descending order, so start from the biggest number. It's 14. After 14, yes, we have 9. So put 9. After 9, it's 8. So write 8. And the smallest number or the last one will be 1. The last example. Here we have 15, 9, 10, 12, and 2. Yes, start from descending, start from the biggest number. It's 15. Okay, after 15, what comes? Bravo, it's 12. Then after 12, can you think? Excellent, it's 10. And cross it out, cancel it. Now we have 9 and 2. So we will put 9 first. And the last one or the smallest one here will be 2. So again, this is called what? This is called the descending order. So ascending means from the smallest to the greatest, but descending means from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, this was our revision on Unit 3 for grade 1. Thank you for watching and see you in the next session, inshallah. Bye bye.